In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create stunning fly-in animations in PowerPoint. This is a fantastic technique to add a little flair and interest to your presentations, making them more engaging and dynamic. So let's dive right in and transform your slides into captivating visual stories. First things first, open up your PowerPoint presentation. Whether you're starting from scratch or editing an existing deck, make sure you have it ready because that's where the magic will happen. Once you have your presentation open, I want you to navigate to the Insert tab located at the top of your screen. This is where you can add various elements to your slide that will then be animated later on. Now you want to add your object to the slide. This could be a text box, an image, an icon, or a shape, whatever you think will benefit from a nice fly-in effect. Simply select the object you want to animate and make sure it's highlighted because the animation will apply to whatever is selected. Next, head over to the Animations tab at the top. This is where you'll find a collection of different animations that you can apply to your objects. Now instead of just choosing a preset, click on the Add Animation drop-down menu. This gives you a much broader selection and control over the animation style you're applying. From the drop-down menu, choose the Fly-In option from the Entrance category. This is the animation that will give your object the fly-in effect. Keep the object selected because next you'll be tweaking some more options. With your object still selected, look for the Effect Options button. This should be located right next to the list of animations. Clicking this will give you different directions for the animation. You can choose from options like from bottom, which is the default, or from left, from right, and even from top. Pick which direction works best with the flow of your presentation. Now let's refine the animation's timing for an even smoother appearance. Timing is everything when it comes to animations, and a little adjustment can make a big difference. Staying in the Animations tab, focus on the duration. This controls how long it takes for the animation to be performed. Aim for a duration between 0.5 to 1.0 seconds. This range generally provides a seamless effect that's neither too rushed nor too slow. If you want to create a staggered effect where objects come in one after another, consider adding a delay. You can adjust the delay between 0.1 to 0.3 seconds. This timing will help your objects fly in at slightly different moments, which adds a refined touch to your presentation. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've added eye-catching fly-in animations to your PowerPoint slides. Give it a go and watch how your presentations transform from simple slideshows to compelling narratives.